with sardinas. First, we need to put some oil in here, just only a little bit. Is this enough?
Yeah.
Now, all we need to do is put this.
Garlic.
How?
The garlic.
I'm gonna put it using my hands.
Yeah. All together.
All together.
And that one, this one. Next one, the onion.
Next one is the onion. Should I pick the big one?
Yeah, all of that.
All of these?
No, just put like that.
All of them? Okay, so
Okay.
next I'm gonna do is let's go mix it. Next, we're gonna put water using my mom. Okay, so be careful. Next, the sardinas. Should we put all of this? Only you. Okay, go. So I'm gonna mix it. Give me some what? Some water. Now let's put a little bit of water again. So I should mix it. Nakulo na ba to? So is this ready? Okay. Next, I'm gonna put the satanghon in it. Now mix it. Mix the satanghon. Until it becomes hanggang lumambot ito. Come on, let's go. Dagdagan natin ng kunting tubig. Kasi makunti lang ang sabaw. So you put it na. So what's next? How am I gonna hold it? Now, let's put some ginisa mix. Just a little bit. Is that enough? Is that enough? Okay. Now mix it. Malambot na ang satanghon, so tikman natin. So, am I gonna off it? Okay? Now we're done. Yan po ang sardinas with sa tanghon. Okay, you off it.